Hey guys, all F150s from 2004 on up have a squeak when it gets cold in the lower right hand corner of the windshield. What it is this foam piece of thing. This foam guy, it gets inserted underneath the hood bezel here, the windshield bezel, and it's just this little foam thing. It squeaks, and if you pull it on out, you'll see paint marks where it's working, where it's been rubbing away on your paint. But you'll swear to God there's something rubbing on your windshield, and if you've got high frequency good ears like I do, it's like fingernails on a chalkboard. It's evil. So anyway, to get at this thing, you gotta pop the little plastic clip here and pop this bezel on out. They just basically, you just do it by tugging hard on here and pushing out on this thing, and then lifting on the back. It's just all kind of held in by snaps. That'll allow you to pull the little plastic plug that holds that foam thing in, and it just lives right here. And I don't even know what its purpose is, but they got them. So my solution here is to put sticky back felt around the edges of everywhere, because I could see a number of places where it was rubbing, including a little spot here, and then for good measure I put a little spot of the sticky back felt on the backside where that plastic plug goes. And then it was just easier to put sticky back felt on the hood latch here to get it to shut up. Anyway, that's if you do all this and you put it back together, that evil squeak noise will be gone and life will be better. That's all I got for you today. Bye bye, YouTube.